Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare Pori Kadalai or puffed rice snack at home. This is very easy to make and healthy as well, and good to munch while you watch a movie maybe. And the ingredients are listed here for you. First, take a deep thick bottom vessel, turn the stove on medium heat and heat the oil. Add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Then add the fennel seeds or sombu, and then the cut dry red chilies, asafoetida powder, and the curry leaves. Turn the stove to low if in case it is too hot, and fry this for half a minute or so. And then add the peanuts and split dalia or Pori Kadalai and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the turmeric powder and red chili powder and fry for 2 or 3 more minutes. Then finally add the salt and mix it thoroughly. Add the pori or the puffed rice now. Ensure that the stove is on low medium heat now. And mix the pori thoroughly and let it be on low flame for 4 or 5 minutes. Keep stirring it frequently so that it doesn't burn on the bottom. Then turn off the stove and cool it completely. Once the pori is cooled off completely, store it in an airtight container. I am using a cookie tin here. So the puffed rice snack or Pori Kadalai is now ready for you. Hope you enjoy this recipe. See you soon again with another video, and thank you for watching.